Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to share with you the Paper Pumpkin Kit, Kisses and Hugs, which is from January. Unfortunately it arrived late, which is why this video is a little bit late. So this one's perfect for Valentine's Day, so I'm still on time for that. So these are the projects that the kit contains, but of course, as always, I will show you some alternatives of what you can do with this kit. And as with all the kits, there's instructions on how to do them, and then on the back there's some suggestions for other things as well. So this kit came with some dimensionals, some little adhesive dots. It came with some of these beautiful little sequins. You can see they're kind of a pearl. There was a Stampin' spot, and this time it was gray granite. There's the stamp set that came with it. Okay, perfect for Valentine's, or you could even use it for anniversary. These cards could easily be used for anniversaries. There's a whole bunch of die cuts in here, so these lovely hearts with the gold trim. There was a few of these. And some other dies, some different size hearts and arrows. And then there was two different card bases that came with this. So that was one of them. And then here was the other one. Okay. And then the envelopes have this lovely gold foil X's and O's on the inside, and then on this one here I just stamped the X's and O's on the outside. So some of the cards that you can make with this, I'll start with the ones that they suggested. Okay, this for you. Open it up. And then this was the other one that they gave directions for. Okay, so some of my alternatives using the card base themselves. I just took some of the dies and used them in a different way. Some of the different stamps. There's another one. Okay, sending love. And the final one using the card bases as is. For this one here, I used a different stamp set. Right now we have Celebration going on, and one of the stamp sets that you can get in Celebration is this Special Moments stamp set. So I used one of the stamps here for someone who is wonderful in each and every way. So that was what I used for the front of this one. Okay, and then I took some of this and just made some other cards. So I cut some of those card bases up to give a different background. Okay, this I just took one of our heart punches and punched out a bunch of the card bases to give me some different patterns. Same with this one. I just cut one of the card bases in half and then used some of the other ones with the heart die. I love this one. And again, and the final one. And I just created the background with one of the stamps that was included. So I hope you have enjoyed this video with Paper Crafting with Tracy, showcasing the January 2022 Kisses and Hugs Paper Pumpkin Kit. Please subscribe to the channel, and happy stamping!